Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can log into your UC Health employee account. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure your PC is connected to a secure internet connection, and let's open our default browser. For now, I'm using Google Chrome. In the search bar above, you can just type in UC Health employee login. You can find various URLs in the search results, but for now, we want to sign in, so we will head towards the third link in the search result. Let's click here, and you will head towards this type of interface for signing into UC Health employee account. You can just click on the right side sign in button, and you can find various options right now. Here too, let's click on the first option. A new login web page will appear on your screen where you can input your credentials, your username or email, and password to sign into your account. Finally, click the Sign In button after putting your credentials in the designated fields. Congratulations! You are logged into your UC Health employee account. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, guys. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Stay